Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, sign out of any GitHub apps on this machine. Use auth logout to sign out of GitHub CLI on this computer. Open GitHub Desktop and choose File, then Options to sign out and remove saved credentials. Next, log into GitHub. Com in a browser and go to Settings, then Developer Settings. Revoke any personal access tokens listed there immediately. Also remove any OAuth apps that you no longer trust or recognize. Now remove locally stored credentials from the operating system. On Windows, open Credential Manager and delete any entries for GitHub. On Mac OS, open Keychain Access and delete GitHub or Git credentials. Next, check your Git configuration with Git config global credential helper and remove or unset that helper. If you used Git credential store, delete the store file in your home directory. If using Git Credential Manager, run Git Credential Manager uninstall to remove its helper from Git. Finally, remove SSH keys and your Git identity from this PC. List keys in /SSH and delete the private and public files associated with GitHub. Then log into GitHub. And remove the corresponding public keys from SSH and GPG settings. Unset local and global Git identity values with Git config global unset user. Email and Git config global unset user. Name. Kill any running SSH agent processes and restart the machine to ensure cached keys and agents are cleared completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.